Assalamualaikum student, welcome to the classes of Sufa English High School. This is Shazia Khan, subject teacher of SST. Today I will be teaching to standard 6th geography, chapter number 4, weather and climate. So let's start with the explanation. The weather condition at each of the places given below are different on 10 June. Kochi has cloudy weather. It means there is a little sunlight. The rainy season has started and moisture in the air will be high. Hence, it will take a long time for the clothes to dry. You may have observed a similar situation at your place during the rainy season. At Bhopal, there is hot sun. The water in the wet cloths get covered into vapor quickly and the cloths will dry within a short time. Now, Mussoorie is located to the north of the Tropic of Cancer. Hence, it receives less solar heat. The air there is cool due to its location on a mountain. Clothes take longer to dry here because of the medium heat and cool air. Factors like heat, moisture, and wind influence the time taken by the clothes to dry. However, this condition keep on changing. We always experience such changes. Now, children, in this paragraph, they have explained that weather condition changes. According to the place, now every area, each place weather condition changes. Above are different on 10 June. Now Kochi has a cloudy weather with the latest sunlight, and then there is a rainy season. The moisture will be high in the air and it takes long time for the clothes to dry. Now, this situation you also must have experience in the rainy season. Now, in Bhopal, there is hot, and due to this, the wet cloth dried up easily. During the summer time and in the Mussoorie, place is located that is in north of Tropic of Cancer. It receives less solar heat. Air. The air is cool because of the location in mountain area. Now over here it takes longer time to dry the cloths because of the medium heat and cool air. Now the time taken to dry cloths are moisture. The factor are moisture, heat, wind, and this weather keeps on changing. Now over here they have given the picture. It is the picture is given here. Boys warming themselves. Now this is the bonfire. Okay. Now the boys are over here. Now they are experiencing the bonfire near to it. It was cold in the morning, so they went and did this bonfire. Now in the afternoon it became sultry. Now it rained suddenly in the afternoon. Now afternoon when it got rainy, so the cool breeze was blowing. Now clouds gathered in the evening and the night sky was full of stars and a pleasant breeze was blowing. Now students, I have read these points. What does this means? Now every time over here the situation and the weather is changing. Now let's talk about the weather. We all always experience atmospheric condition prevailing at a place and at a given time. We often talk about it, but these conditions are short-lived. This is what we call weather. For example, we say the weather is hot, cool, dry, sultry, etc. Now, in this weather paragraph, they have explained that there is always changes in the weather condition according to the place, region at a given time, but this is for the short time and this condition is called weather. Now, according to the changes in the weather, we say as per the changes. Now, if we say if it is the summer, we will say hot. If winter, we will say it's a cool. So, cool, dry, sultry, etc. Okay, student, it is enough for today. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.